Having trouble finding the right charging cable for your devices? We can help you with our brand new U4 4-in-1 cable. We built this cable with all the possible ports you may need, plus a wireless charging panel for your Apple Watch. The wireless charging panel has a built-in magnet, so you will never misplace your Apple Watch. The 4-in-1 cable has 3 different ports: micro USB, Lightning, and USB-C. That means you can charge nearly any digital product on the market. With the Lightning port, the 4-in-1 cable is not just your charging cable, it is also the data transport cable. Simply plug it into your computer and transfer your files. The cable and wireless panel will generate no heat, so it's going to be perfectly safe for all your devices. The 4-in-1 cable is wrapped with tough nylon braided wire, strong and durable, and cannot be broken. It is also 4 feet long, which makes it even more convenient to charge multiple devices at the same time. It will never tangle, and it is effortless to organize and place it right in your pocket or bag, so you can carry it everywhere you go. U4, your 4-in-1 charging on the go.
This is Vibroom, a smarter way to clean your floors. No more dustpans or bulky vacuums required. With Vibroom, just sweep dirt and debris into a pile, then tilt to the side. The pressure-activated nozzle quickly and easily cleans up any mess. When done, just empty right into the trash. Bombs away. No more dustpan lines or sweeping under the rug. Vibroom is powered by a 14,000 RPM motor to suck up any debris on contact. Okay, almost any debris. Yet weighing just 30 ounces, it's easy to maneuver and handle for those hard-to-reach places. The intelligently designed nozzle makes for simple and ergonomic use, while also maximizing suction so you leave nothing behind. Whether it's a mess made by the children, your pets, or yourself, Vibroom has you covered. Even for those big messes, Vibroom can vacuum up to a cup of debris at a time. Battery operated, there are no messy cords, and it hangs for easy storage. Vibroom, cleaning your floors the smart way.
Our designers and engineers have finalized Vibroom, and we are ready to take it to the next level. But to start production, we need expensive tooling to mold parts, and high volume to buy them at a good discount. So check out the rewards and pledge any level you're comfortable with. Your support will help us fulfill our dream to launch better design products that make life easier for everyone. Thank you.
My name's James Zambergy, and I'm here to tell you to stop using toilet paper. At BioBidet, we're bringing about a new standard for bathroom hygiene. It's about being clean, convenient, and saving money. Indiegogo has allowed us to hear our customers and our fans more clearly than ever before. And we're able to take that feedback and present something that we're really proud of.
The Slim Glow is the most advanced bidet attachment. It's got those most wanted features, and it's just as easy to use and install.
It's ultra thin, reinforced, and has a dual nozzle. And as a customer favorite and industry first, a battery-powered nightlight.
As an attachment, you don't have to worry about what type of toilet you have, where your outlets are, or calling a plumber. It fits right between your toilet base and your toilet seat, and it ties right into your existing plumbing.
It comes with everything you need to complete installation and is up and running in about 15 minutes. The Slim Glow fits on the overwhelming majority of toilets out there, and it's designed to complement both your bathroom and your body. The control panel is positioned for easy access and has LED indicators that react to your spray settings. You can choose between our 2 spray styles and adjust the water pressure as you see fit. And with the push of a button, you can turn on the ambient glow ring.
We've been leading the industry for over 10 years, and bidets are really catching on.
We really wanted to give our Indiegogo fans an opportunity to continue driving this new standard and the chance at a great deal. It's tough to tell someone your bathroom routine could be better, but once you try it, you can't go back.
PDBR. As drones have become increasingly sophisticated, they are being fitted with heavier and more expensive equipment. At ProDrone, we have developed an airbag to protect Regal lasers and other such expensive equipment. When the acceleration sensors detect an anomaly, the airbag is deployed within 0.1 seconds. We protect your valuable equipment from the threat of damage.